Di malam yang kelam kami berangkat menuju tempat yang tidak berjejak. Dengan hati berdebar, rasa takut melanda. Cerita seram kini bermula. Cerita seram misi ke alam misteri, menggali kisah yang belum terungkap. Rasa cemas tapi penuh misteri, dalam gelap rahasia tersingkap.
Oh, yang detect tu apa
SLS.
SLS. Aku ada ke?
I suppose so.
Oh, have.
Have, right?
Have.
You should have lah. But I think for that, in order for it to work in the dark, right? Yeah, cannot. Whoa.
Huh? Ada detect, bro.
Huh?
Got something detect.
What?
Ni. Inside here.
Okay, you see case, right? The thing is, right, we always go to these kind of places. Going in is not an Kish, you see.
Huh?
This one.
What?
On your left. The
Huh?
branch is moving, right? There. But the others are not. This one.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Yeah. We are very sorry. We are here not to disturb anyone. Nampak?
Yeah.
Itu shadow kita.
No, that's the thing.
Well, can we go further down now, bro?
No lah, it's okay. We stay here. To me, right, if you were to ask me, I think this is actually the safest,
200, bro.
the safest position that we can be at lah. Yeah, it's because, yeah, you know, you want to go back there, it's not a problem.
Because over there, I can feel something.
Yeah, but okay lah, we can try.
Kita try.
You see, guys, we are not looking for anything, alright? Kish, maybe you want to share. Okay.
Oh, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, as you guys can see,
Okay.
is
Dia suruh kita macam there is a sign, no?
yep. My it's giving me goosebumps lah.
Whoa, bro. You see the one, the sign?
Yep.
It's like a human, right?
Yes.
Kita minta maaf. We are very sorry. We are
so
not here to
sorry.
disturbing you anyone.
Yes, we are not here to
We're
disturb.
just here for the video. I can understand the sign, bro. Dia tunjuk macam ni.
To go out.
You want us to go out? You want us to go out?
Okay, just give it a moment.
Okay,
Relax.
okay.
Come. We come back here. Come back here. We don't go there first. Because the moment we go there, then it's yeah.
Bro, okay. Now you show. Okay, sini dah tak ada tau. Okay, you
Yeah.
show here. Ni, dah pindah kat sini.
Yep. Seems
Okay.
like it's.
No, you see.
Yeah, I know. Don't say.
No, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Sini dah tak ada.
I think it's.
still have,
I mean there are, but. Yeah lah. Okay, let's try. Okay. So now we are in total darkness. I mean the feeling here is. Okay, can you just again at the lamppost there?
Okay.
You try again. Okay guys, as you can see, okay, it may not be so clear, but yeah lah. Okay, sorry, we are not here to disturb you. Alright, kita minta maaf. Kita cuma di sini untuk buat rakaman sahaja. Okay, can we check at the same time? 203. So the K2 meter is
K2
actually
is showing going to 300.
300 already. 331, 340. Okay, Kishno, maybe you want to share with our viewers, right? How does the K2 and the EMF sensor works lah? I mean, okay guys, if you don't know, the K2 meter is actually the one with the green light.
Yes,
K
K2
should be
meter.
shown. Yes.
K2 meter, if got anything around us, then that will detect. So it's go to until the end, it will be red lah.
Yep.
So blinking red means it's very near to us.
Correct.
If EMS means EMS also is very EMS will show the distance, no, the spirit distance around us.
Yeah.
So,
So the
it's more
spirit
than
is-
500 means it's getting very near,
Correct.
like 50 meter, 100 meter, something like
So
that.
EMF is actually detecting the electrical energy
Yes.
in which the spirit is giving out. Yep. Yeah, the more we are in darkness, the
So
feeling
now
is
500. Oh,
500.
drop to 100 plus already.
No, you see, it goes back,
Yes.
spiking.
Yeah. But this one is very slow. K2 very slow. It's not blinking.
So I think this is
Here, bro.
What?
Here, bro. Eh?
This is the place where the bush were moving lah.
But this one is a bit it's like very scary place. Yeah, it's just
Oh,
below,
it is.
just below the tracks. Yeah. No, is it an abandoned track or what?
No. It's not. It's live Then there's a MRT station nearby.
Oh,
Yeah. But this one is the tail end. So kirakan dia tak sambung
dah
kat
tak
mana-mana
sambung
lah.
lagi lah. Apa kata kita pergi depan sikit? We go a bit further down lah.
Kau depan-depan mana dah?
Sini ke?
Yeah, how come so far we have never discovered this place before?
Yes, we cross here many times already, bro.
Yeah.
By
By passing lah. But
passing.
yeah, long.
Okay, dah zero.
Yeah, so I think it's back there. Stop. Yeah. So
Yes, it
the
become
activity
zero. Dah tak ada.
Yeah, there's no. It
I
doesn't.
think the activity is only at this end.
Can we try again?
Okay. Okay, let's check dekat sini tak ada.
Ada?
You see.
Yeah.
Okay, so,
So
that
it's
means
just beyond this point.
yes, correct.
Sorry. Yeah, so this is actually an interesting location, I would say lah. Right. Yeah.
Actually,
So I think for this video, we would also like to thank our video sponsor, Jack Potato SG.
yes, Jet Potato for our sponsor.
Yep.
Thank you so much. We will try to do our more videos after
Alright, in
this.
support of Jack
Yes.
Potato SG. Okay, after saying Jack Potato SG, even the thing
Also
got beep lah. Maybe he also want to eat the kentang.
It should